This container tracker made by JENG can do more than you think. Let's hop into the ConTracker platform and check out some features.
Once you're logged in, you will see the dashboard with a map of all your tracked containers. You can quickly locate containers by its name by clicking on the right corner of the map. To get more specific details of a container, just click on it to reveal basic information like the last sent update, container type and exact coordinates. In addition, you can reveal the container's datasheet to see the container number, its type, its coupling system, location on the map, a picture and more. You will also see all past movements of the container. Speaking about container details, you can also create new containers. Give the container a name, connect a sensor ID of a tracker, select a container type, a coupling system, production year of the container, a manufacturer and a set of pictures. Once created, the container will be available in all of the backend features. You have full control how often a container sends updates to you. Here you can set a time frame and days of the week when a container sends updates to the backend. When it comes to maintenance, you can create custom maintenance schedules and track events of each container. In the case you want to rent out selected containers or give someone access to one, you can do it too. Here you can define a group of selected containers you want to grant access to. Below you can create users and give them a time-limited access to a group of containers. Here you can also directly send an email to the users with all instructions how to enter the ConTracker.
Overall, the ConTracker platform in combination with the tracker is a powerful and easy to use tool. Especially if you manage a huge number of containers and want to stay flexible and have all the tools you might need in one place.